Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a auxiliary water pump replacement. Now this is very straightforward. You're not going to need anything too crazy as in tool wise. You're just pretty much going to need some pliers, 10mm, I believe it's 12. I don't think so, but correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think we're going to need the 12. So you might need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver just in case for some of the bumpers stuff that we got to take off. This one's already kind of been worked on, so I know there's going to be some things that are missing, but I'll try to do the best of my ability to demonstrate on how to replace this on this vehicle. The auxiliary water pump is going to be on the driver's side, right underneath. It'll be right there, so we'll go ahead and replace that. I believe 3 10mm bolts are holding that guy down. So in order to get to that, the easiest way will be to take off the bumper a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit, just to enough where we can take out. There's going to be one 10mm bolt holding this headlight in. You're going to have one, and then there's going to be another 10 just kind of right under here, and then one. So there's going to be 3 10mm bolts that are right there. Then we're going to go ahead and take off this 10mm bolt. And then we're going to go ahead and take off that 10mm bolt that's going to be under. And we'll probably we might need to take this one off just in case. I don't think we need to. I think we just need to take off this one, then we'll be fine. Then normally you would have like a fastener clip right there. So you would use like a flathead screwdriver. It would be this one right here, but this one's kind of been a little thinner better, so that's popped off. So we'll take this off and this, and then you would just need to use a Phillips screwdriver just to take these off. Now when you're taking these guys off, you need to just loosely, you don't want to put no pressure on the screwdriver by pushing down. You just kind of want to like loosen as just letting it guide out, so you're not pushing down this thread because it's a plastic Phillips screwdriver. Now if you're having a hard time, you can actually get a pick and try to pick in between while you're loosening this screw from there. So I hope that helps you out. So now we're ready to pull out the headlight. So you're just going to kind of lift this tab up and then wiggle it right out. And then while holding it still back over here with not too much force, you're going to kind of pull down this bumper a little bit. Then we got some tabs right here. You're just going to go ahead and push these down and pull them out. And then there's one more on the headlight. Well, there's two more down here. So same thing. Or 3 more, should I say. Didn't see this one. Now we have this guy out. We'll set it to the side. Alright, so here is our water pump. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect this connector. Just pull the tab, or press in and then pull out. Now we only have, I think it's just 2 10mm bolts that are holding this guy down, so we're going to go ahead and take those off. So here's our new one, our new water pump. This was actually made by Dorman. I guess it's a new and improved version. It is a lot more taller than this from the OEM one. But I guess, you know, it's just a little update on that. So we're going to take off one hose at a time so we don't make that much of a mess. And then we're going to try to transfer everything as quickly as possible. So while these hoses are still connected, we're just going to switch them over real quick. I think I'll just start off with the top one first. The same thing for the bottom one. Just use your thumb to hold it down. Just like that, so we don't lose too much coolant. And then we'll go ahead and put back on our clamps. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and place everything back. So now make sure that this guy goes under the box for right here. So make sure it goes under this little tab. And then for this lower and upper hose, make sure that they go back inside their plastic tabs. There's one under right here, and then there's one down right below that holds the hose in place. And now we're ready to, you know, just put everything back. So that one I'm not gonna talk about anything because it's pretty straightforward. So I'm just gonna fast forward the whole process on this. Alright, so now after everything's done installed, now you want to go ahead and put the car in maintenance mode. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that after I'm done putting in the hybrid battery. Once that's done, and then I'll go into that. But don't forget, you need to top off the radiator cap. Totally forgot about that. But barely any fluid came out, so I don't really need to worry about that. Whatever like little, probably maybe like 3 ounces that probably came out the most. But I'm going to go ahead and get back to show you how to do the maintenance mode. So just in case if you do take a little bit longer, so you can bleed out the system. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the car in maintenance mode. So what we're going to go ahead and do is press the power button twice without holding the brake until it turns orange, and then everything is illuminated without the zero. So make sure that the zero is not present. Now you're going to go ahead and press the gas pedal twice. 1, 2. Press the brake, put the car in neutral, pump the gas pedal twice again. 1, 2. Press the brake, put the car in park, press the gas pedal twice again, and then you're going to hear a beep, and then you're going to go ahead and press the brake again, and then press the power. So now you'll probably see like a little exclamation mark. Sometimes it'll say maintenance mode depending on the year of the vehicle, but that's how you will put it in maintenance mode. If you have a scan tool to show you where your temperature's at, this one I don't really need to bleed because obviously barely any coolant came out, but you never know, that little air pocket could cause something. So just keep an eye on the temperature, make sure everything's all run and burped throughout the system. So if this video helped you out, comment below, hit the thumbs up, and then hit that subscribe button down below for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.